Welcome everyone. Today we are going to master one of the most advanced and interesting tenses in English grammar, the future perfect continuous tense. Don't worry if the name sounds difficult. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to make affirmative, negative, interrogative, and WH question sentences confidently. I will also explain some important rules, common mistakes, and one of the biggest doubts students have when to use shall and when to use will. Let's begin with a simple situation. Imagine today is 1st January. You start preparing for your board examination. Your examination will begin on 1st June. If someone asks you on 1st June, how long will you have been studying by then? You can proudly say, I will have been studying for 5 months. This sentence tells us that the action started before a particular time in the future, continues until that future time, and may even continue after that. That is exactly what the future perfect continuous tense expresses. The future perfect continuous tense is used to describe an action that will have been continuing for a period of time before a specific point or another action in the future. Now let's understand its structure. The structure of an affirmative sentence is subject plus will have been plus verb first form plus ing plus object plus since for plus time. Here remember these points carefully. We always use the first form of the verb with ing. We always use have been after will. The helping verb never changes according to the subject. Whether the subject is I, we, you, they, he, she, it, or any singular or plural noun, the helping verb remains will have been. Now let's understand this through examples. I will have been teaching for 10 years by next July. She will have been living in Delhi for 5 years by 2028. They will have been playing cricket since morning. He will have been working in this company for 15 years by next December. We will have been waiting for 2 hours before the train arrives. My brother will have been preparing for the UPSC examination for 3 years by next January. The children will have been watching television for 3 hours. The doctor will have been treating patients since early morning. Notice something very important. Whenever we mention a duration like 2 hours, 5 days, 10 years, we use for. Whenever we mention the starting point like Monday 2015, morning 8 o'clock, January, we use since. This is one of the most important rules of this tense. Now let's move to negative sentences. The structure is subject plus will not have been plus verb first form plus ing plus object plus since for time. The short form of will not is won't. Let's see some examples. I will not have been working here for 5 years by next month. She will not have been studying for 2 hours by noon. They will not have been living in Mumbai for 10 years by 2030. He will not have been driving since morning. We won't have been waiting for very long. The students won't have been practicing for many weeks. Now notice that only not is added after will. The remaining structure remains exactly the same. Now let's understand yes no type interrogative sentences. These questions can be answered with yes or no. The structure is will plus subject plus have been plus verb first form plus ing plus object plus since for plus time plus question mark. Examples. Will you have been studying for 3 hours by 9 pm? Will she have been working here for 10 years by next June? Will they have been playing football since morning? Will your father have been traveling for 2 days by tomorrow? Will the workers have been repairing the road for a week? Possible answers are yes, I will. No, I won't. Yes, she will. No, they won't. Notice that only will comes before the subject to make the question. Now let's learn WH type interrogative sentences. These questions begin with words like what, why, when, where, who, which, whom, whose, and how. The structure is WH word plus will plus subject plus have been plus verb first form plus ing plus object plus since for plus time plus question mark. Examples. Why will you have been waiting for so long? Where will she have been working for 5 years? How long will they have been practicing before the competition? What will he have been doing since morning? Who will have been teaching this class for 10 years by next session? When will your brother have been living in Lucknow for 5 years? How long will the children have been playing in the park? Which project will the engineers have been working on? Notice that how long is very common with this tense because this tense mainly talks about duration. Now let's discuss the use of since and for in a greater detail because many students make mistakes here. Use since with a starting point as since Monday, since 2022, since 8 am, since morning, since January. Use for with a period or duration for 2 hours, for 3 weeks, for 6 months, for 10 years, for a long time. Never say since 2 hours. Never say for Monday. These are incorrect.